In a blooming meadow, there once lived a multitude of vibrant flowers, each one more beautiful than the last. Among them was a petite rose named Rosalinda, who was the most resplendent of all. One day, a small, unassuming creature appeared in the meadow. This creature was a thrip, a minute insect known for its destructive appetite for flowers. The thrip's name was Thaddeus, and he had a peculiar fascination with Rosalinda. Thaddeus, day after day, would sneak up to Rosalinda and nibble on her delicate petals. Rosalinda, at first, did not notice. But as the days turned into weeks, her petals began to wilt and lose their vibrant hue. Rosalinda, upon noticing her decline, asked the other flowers, "Why am I losing my beauty?" The flowers replied, "We've noticed a small creature nibbling on you every day." Rosalinda, determined to find the culprit, set a trap. The next day, Thaddeus, as usual, approached Rosalinda. But this time, she had a cunning plan. As Thaddeus nibbled, Rosalinda's thorns sprung up and captured the tiny thrip. The other flowers gathered around, curious about what Rosalinda would do. "Thaddeus," she said, "you have caused me great harm. But I will not let your actions define me. Instead, I will use this experience to grow stronger." Thaddeus, realizing the error of his ways, felt remorse. "I didn't mean to harm you, Rosalinda," he said. "I was just attracted to your beauty. Please, let me make amends." Rosalinda, moved by Thaddeus's sincerity, released him with a warning. "Thaddeus, remember, beauty is not just skin deep. It comes from within. From now on, choose your actions wisely, and let your kindness shine." And so, Thaddeus left the meadow, vowing to never harm another flower again. Rosalinda, with newfound resilience, continued to bloom, her beauty more radiant than ever before. And the meadow flourished, with Rosalinda teaching the other flowers the importance of inner strength and kindness. Moral asterisk: beauty comes from within, and kindness can transform even the smallest actions.